my company Powerphone, we make the traditional milling machine and the commercial milling machine and the NC milling machine. Three type of machine that let the customer can choice. Yeah. Our country sell around the world because my country just is manufacturer, so we must sell the machine to around the world, even like the America or the Middle Asia, South Asia. Yeah. And this one is our major in this video we show this one is our now the major product. You can see here use this machine. You have a 50-inch touch pen, easy to read. Then if you want to enter the controller, just so direct use the keyboard. So it's very friendly to everyone to use. You know the traditional controller, the interface is very difficult to use. Now we just hope everyone can use this one. Even the normal people is not an engineer, he can easily to use this machine to make his work piece like this one. Yeah, so every ship, yeah. Just hope that let your work piece work be better, be best. Yeah.
Okay.
So welcome to the Powerphone to connect with us. It's my pleasure to meet with you in our Powerphone. Okay.